Welcome, my dear students of class 5A and 5B. You are welcome to my GK class. Today's topic is vitamins and minerals. Unit 5, topic vitamins and minerals. Means vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C and vitamin D. Now, this lesson I have included in your syllabus for the second unit test. Now, you please take it down in your copies that this very lesson is a part of the syllabus for second unit test, because other lessons are very small. That's why I have decided to include few more lessons. Now, first one, vitamin A. What do you know about vitamin A? You know, vitamin A prevents eyes protection. You know, so what does vitamin A do? Vitamin A does some important works for our health and body organs. It prevents eyes problem, it prevents eye problems, and it also promotes a healthy habits of immune system in our body. And it is essential for the growth and development of cells, growth and development of cells of our body, and keeps our skin healthy. Now, what are the sources? What are the food sources of vitamin A? What are the food sources from where we have vitamin A? There are so many foods or food items from where we can have vitamin A. For example, eggs, milk, fortified cereals, darkly colored orange or green vegetables like carrots, like sweet potatoes and pumpkin, orange fruits such as apricots, peaches, papayas and mangoes. So these are the important food items or food sources from where we can have vitamin A. And next one, vitamin B6. I discussed about vitamin A, and now I am going to discuss about vitamin B6. What is vitamin B6? Vitamin B6 is important for normal brain, our normal brain and nerve function. It also helps the body. It also helps the body break down proteins and make red blood cells. It produces red blood cells in our body. It protects our body and the nervous system. It also, strengthens. It also increases immunity, and it is very important for normal brain and nerve function. That's why it always helps the body break down proteins and make blood vessels, make red blood cells in our body, red blood cells. So these are the utilities of vitamin B6. Now, what are the food sources of vitamin B6? There are some food sources of vitamin B6. A wide variety of foods contain vitamin B6, including potatoes, bananas, beans, nuts, and red meat, poultry, fish, eggs, spinach, and fortified cereals. These are the food sources of vitamin B6. And next one, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 helps to make red blood cells. Vitamin B12 helps to make red blood cells and is important for nerve cell function. This is also important for nerve cell function. So this is about vitamin B12. And now, what are the food sources of vitamin B12? From which foods we can have vitamin B12? Vitamin B12 is found normally in fish, red meat, poultry, milk, cheese and eggs. It is also added to some breakfast cereals. So these are the food sources for vitamin B12 we have. The next one, vitamin C. What are the features of vitamin C? How we should get benefited with vitamin BC? Vitamin BC is needed to form collagen, tissue that holds cells together, and it is essential for healthy bones, teeth, gums, and blood vessels. This is the most important reason vitamin C is important for our body, because it protects our bones, teeth, gums, and blood cells or blood vessels. It helps the body to absorb iron and calcium and contributes to brain function. That's why vitamin C is all in all in our body. Vitamin C and its role is very important in our body. And now, what are the food sources of vitamin C? There are some food sources of vitamin C: red berries, kiwi fruit, red and green capsicums, tomatoes, broccoli, spinach, and juices made from guava, grapefruit, and orange and are some sources of vitamin C. So these are the food sources of vitamin C. And next one, vitamin D. Vitamin D. Vitamin D strengthens the bones of our body because it helps the body absorb bone building calcium. It helps the body absorb bone building. It helps the body absorb bone building calcium. Bone building calcium is very, very important to our body. That's why vitamin D strengthens bones because it absorbs bone building calcium. It absorbs bone building calcium in the body. Now, what are the food sources of vitamin D? There are some food sources of vitamin D. Number one, vitamin D found in egg yolks, fish oils, and fortified foods like milk. Besides, vitamin D is ionic. Our body manufactures it when we get sunlight on our skin. Vitamin D is found in eggs, egg yolks, and fish oils. So there are very less number of food sources are there from where we can have vitamin D. Now, why is it important? Because vitamin D strengthens bones. How? Because it absorbs. Vitamin D absorbs. The body absorbs bone building calcium in our body. It absorbs bone building calcium in our body. That's why vitamin D strengthens bones. And that's why this vitamin is very important to our body. And there is a unique system like body manufactures it when we get sunlight on our skin. During that time, vitamin D works steadily in our body. It helps our body organs to have sunlight and to get benefited in our body directly from the sun rays. Besides, vitamin D gives us energy to work, to run, to dance, to sing. Why? Because of its main function is to absorb bone building calcium in our body. That's why it can easily strengthen the bones of our body because of its absorbing capability, bone building absorbing capability, and it increases calcium in our body. It supplies calcium in our body. That's why vitamin D also is an important vitamin of our body. Vitamin for our body. Up to this, my dear students. Although this part of teaching is completed, but some students during my live classes, one of my live classes requested me to re-explain this lesson, vitamins and minerals. That's why once again, for their conveniences, I re-explain this lesson, my dear students. Next day, the remaining part of this lesson will be taught to you. Up to this, thank you very much.